Hard to match the desired flavor when brewing coffee at home? You probably are not using the smart and precise kettle for your morning ritual. Maestri House presents impeccable aesthetics, meet user-friendly designs. The 8-in-1 all-rounder electric pour-over Gooseneck Kettle. When you want to start off your morning with a perfect cup of coffee, set your temperature freely between 86 and 212 Fahrenheit with our Strix temperature control. Just roll the button and lock the temperature to the degree. A sleek LCD screen lets you monitor the real-time temperature with ease. With its 90-degree vertical water flow, the kettle's gooseneck spout gives you control with a precise pour. When it comes to pour-over brewing, timing is everything. All you need is pressing the button down and waiting for the aroma of fresh coffee to surround. We had carefully set up a safety lock, which makes brewing safer in case small children are around. We are constantly evolving and improving our product to take your coffee experience to the next level. And that's how the kettle can hold the temperature of your cup for up to 100 hours. Saves you the trouble of reboiling. The 8-in-1 all-rounder electric pour-over Gooseneck Kettle brews you the perfect cup of coffee whenever you need. Maestri House, truth in household coffee appliance.